Alright, so I found a new car, and Liza's coming right now. She doesn't know yet, but I've got a plan. She's not going to be mad at all, because who can be mad when I got you a Happy Meal? Oh, yay. She's not going to be mad.
So then, I was in Orchland looking at some things, and I get a phone call that he wants to buy another car. And I was like, no, we can't buy another car. We were in the conversation. Because he thought it'd be funny to me. So.
Well, it kind of went about how I expected.
So,
For the first part did. I thought there was no chance we'd be on this trip right now, but
yeah. Well, then he showed me the car, and I was like, okay. Well, it's not very expensive, even though we should be saving that money. But
look at that. You want to buy that too?
no, that is so rusty. But anyway, it wasn't that expensive. Wow, I can't even talk anymore. I actually like the car. And it definitely has potential as long as it is in as good condition as it looks in the pictures, and it was only 44 minutes away, so
it's easy to go look at.
Ow!
Fell over.
Bridge.
Right there. Yeah, it's easy to go look at and turn it down if need be. You know, it's not like driving 6 hours and then if you have to turn around and drive back, you're like, well, I just drove 6 hours for nothing.
Right. So, well, that's fun. Anyway, so
we're going for a heck of a ride up there.
We're on our way to go get it in the good old Super Duty.
To go look at it.
Oh yeah, to go look at it.
We're rolling on the Super Duty.
Well, I have yet to been on a car trip with him where we didn't get it, so.
That's because the car trips we go on to get cars are like at least 4 hours away every time. So it's an 8-hour trip. I don't want to waste 8 hours and not get a car.
He got me a Happy Meal, so I can't be mad. $5.
It's in the name.
Okay. What'd you think?
Front fenders are slightly rusted, but $800. The engine runs.
It ran for a second and a half.
That's just because he shut it down because he doesn't want it running on ether.
Oh, he shut it down?
Yeah.
I thought it just quit running.
No, I watched him. He let go of the switch.
Oh.
You can't run one real long on ether.
On ether. Why does he have to start it on ether?
Because the fuel pump's bad.
Oh.
I told you that.
Okay. Okay, so we're getting it?
Oh, yeah.
We still haven't even told him what it is.
I know.
Y'all ready? Yeah, we're turning around, so.
Is it, is it recording?
Yeah, I've been recording.
Okay.
I didn't record him or anything.
You didn't? Did you record the car?
No.
Oh, all right.
Because we hadn't asked the guy to record the car. Also.
Well, I usually don't like to record things at people's private property.
Yeah,
and stuff,
it's right beside his house.
So I mean, we'll get ourselves turned around. We'll get back there. We'll load it up, and then we'll make a video with it later.
So $800.
800 cash. He said 800 cash, and you take it today.
And it has a little rust on it.
It has a little rust behind the front wheels, which isn't bad, and it's not on the frame. So.
It's not on the frame.
Yeah, the frame is solid.
The headlights work.
Do they?
Yeah, they were still on when you walk back up to the truck.
The headlights are my favorite feature of that car. They're so iconic.
Hey, that curve that you were talking about in the back, the hatch.
Yeah.
I like that.
I do too. Those T-tops. Okay. Oh, we're giving away all sorts of hints at this thing.
I know.
And we still haven't said what it is.
No.
Iconic headlights, the curve in the back, T-tops.
I guess what you call it, a hatch? I don't know.
It's a hatch. It's a hatch. I'd say it's a hatch.
I call it a hatch. Man, the wheels, I like the wheels. I did like price.
Yeah.
Anyway.
The wheels, engine, and trans alone are worth twice what he's asking for.
We're back up in the thing, so I'm gonna shut it down. We'll load it up and we can show you guys when we get it back to the shop, I suppose. Cool.
Shop somewhere close.
Somewhere.
Marty and Luke's book here. We're gonna roll her into shop. And when I say roll it, I mean push it, because it's gonna need pushed. Needs a little bit of work. If you haven't guessed it yet, try to guess it. We're gonna roll it in, and in that amount of time, you'll have to guess it. You ready? Liza, you're steering. Oh gosh. Here it is. As Hayden said, in all of its glory. Liza's baby. What you think? You ready for this one?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Tell them what it is.
This one's gonna be mine.
It's her learning car. So let's see what she's learned. Liza, what is this car?
1 second.
She's gonna go Google it. She's gonna go look at the emblem.
That's a 280ZX.
What year is it?
1983, I do know that.
1983 Datsun 280ZX. And it is the X. So it has, you know, it's got all the power windows. It's got the retractable antenna. Oh, and it's got the roof line that I love. Most people don't like them on their 240s and stuff, but that nice high rear roof line on it. Still has the Z wheels. It's got the T-tops on it. Oh, guys. Liza, what are you doing to it? Hey!
Hey, what am I gonna do to it? First, I'm gonna wash it, because she's a little dirty.
Wipe it on me.
Here, lick it so come on.
No.
Okay. Wash it, and then something's wrong with the fuel tank. I still don't know nothing about cars. Something's wrong with the fuel tank. That's why it won't drive. It'll start, but that's why it won't run, right?
Yes.
Needs
All
a
right.
fuel
So.
pump. Now let me do this.
Okay, she's doing it.
Needs a fuel pump. That's all I know.
All right. So the fuel tank, kind of nasty. Sucked some stuff through the fuel pump. Shot the fuel pump. Needs an ignition switch, because right now it's got an aftermarket ignition switch that'll start with any screwdriver, if it'll start. It needs, oh, we already said fuel pump. It needs a line for the intake hose. Needs an intake hose. Needs a paint job. Man, it needs a paint job. Got to fix a small part in the hood up here. Looks like it took some damage, and damage likes to corrode. Needs a new bumper, because it's a little chewed up on that side over there. I mean, honestly, it won't need a whole lot to get running and driving. We're gonna have to pump everything up, because brakes don't work, clutch don't work, but it's been setting for 8 years, so why would it work? But I'm sure we just need to add some fluid, bleed those out, maybe flush the system. Interior's not too bad. Does have the jiggle stick.
Fun box.
Fun box. 5-speed. I think it won't open from the outside. We'll have, yeah, we gotta look at that.
Gotcha.
But she's gonna be on the road pretty soon, so we're gonna start taking some looks over her here and see what we can figure out on it. Left us some Christmas lights. That was nice of him.
Where's the, how do you do this?
Right there. I'll let you do it. I always wanted a car with a hood like this. Now I got one.
Thanks, Hayden.
Now I got one for Liza. There it is, L28. Man, she's a beauty.
Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Oh, no, I'm talking about? That's a nest right there.
No, that's horsepower.
Datsun, Dirt Dauber, same thing. We're gonna call this car the Dirt Dauber.
I got my pants dirty.
All right, but yeah, okay. So right here, intake. Gonna have to get a new hose for that, but honestly, dude, just chop this hose off. Put that back on down here. It's plenty long enough. Why not? We'll figure it out. Liza, what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Hayden,
And,
Liza, finish what you think. Sorry.
oh, it's okay. I think we're gonna keep the paint scheme. We're just gonna repaint it, obviously.
Oh, sorry. I'm not even pointing this at you. I'm trying to get this to.
I was looking at it all the time. I don't know.
So paint scheme.
Well, you're getting your dirty fingers on it right now, so.
What goes there?
Right now, black fingerprints.
What are you putting there?
Oh, the mirrors.
Yeah. Fender mirrors. She wants fender mirrors.
We're gonna do fender flares. I wanna color match them to white with the rest of it, but I don't know. Maybe white, maybe black. We got the good old racing stripes back here.
What's going right here?
Spoiler.
And
Starts with an L. Sounds like levers. It might be levers.
it's not levers.
I don't know. Louvers.
There you go.
But they're gonna be black. We haven't decided on mirrors if they're gonna be white or chrome.
They're gonna be the bullets though.
These are probably gonna go not soon, but
We'll keep them because we like
Yeah,
them,
yeah.
but we got to get some. I mean, if we're gonna flare it, we got to get
Yeah.
something wider, something to step it out a little bit. But we're gonna have to take the battery out of the Mercedes that are repurposing the battery. I use that battery in freaking everything. I've got about 4 cars that run off that battery. So
I like this.
T-tops.
Yeah.
Hayden, what do you think?
Freaking love Datsuns.
If we
I
actually
do too, buddy. I do too. Liza says exhaust. What do you want to do?
I just told you what I want to do.
What do you want to do?
What do you mean?
What do you want to do?
Straight pipe it.
Straight pipe. Okay. So she wants to straight pipe it. If it doesn't sound right, we might go cherry bomb. It's single outlet, so it shouldn't be too loud. But we'll figure it out. So we're gonna take a little look around it by ourselves here, and we'll start on it soon.